it has been a little while for the Toyota Tundra, the beef, the beast, the meat, the big beefy truck. I haven't put the truck on the channel for a long time. EVO 9 MR, Toyota CELICA GTS, boosted, fast, super fast. We got another one peeking out over here. This is gonna be the Toyota MR2 SPYDER, is my fastest car. Rear-wheel drive, mid-engine, 2ZZ, turbo 6-speed, and a big old freaking Tundra. So this is where I get all my car parts from. So if I need, you know, a transmission, it goes in the back of this. If I need an engine, it goes back in this. If I need to pull a silver Toyota CELICA, which I did with this, I'll pull it with this. This is my workhorse. I love this truck. Quick overview, Alpha Rex front. We did the Rock Warrior Grille, which we're changing out today with the black surround with OEM. I actually painted the black of the lower plastic black. It looks good. No fog lights, staying away from those. TRD, OEM, BBS Pro wheels. These things are worth a fortune because they're 5x150. New brakes. The brakes kind of suck that I have on it. They're squeaky. I think there's a rock stuck in them. I did wheel spacers, leveling kit, so 3-inch in the front, blacked out badge, big old mirrors, Tundra badge, tint, we did the tint, SR5. The interior is next level. Look at this thing. MITSUBISHI.com, MITSUBISHI.com, MITSUBISHI.com. I have like 5 of these left. If you want one of these, you gotta go to my website. Did the steering wheel, the all carbon fiber, AJT shift knob, AJT climate control, the stereo, the whatever this sponsored, Clausio seats. These guys were really nice to work with. Thank you so much. Yeah, interior is nice. LEDs, look at all the LEDs, of course. Looks nice. I even have them on the door thingy, the whatever. Third brake light, LED blacked out. I don't know what these brands of taillights are, but aftermarket taillights that are black, these are awesome. Get these are really, really cool looking. Black OEM bumper, some MagnaFlow-ish exhaust, the dual, I can't remember the brand of it, and more blackout. So today, we need to make this thing a little bit more into the future. Again, this is an 07 and it looks like, to me, it looks pretty good actually. But I've been seeing a lot of those in TRD Pros and I really want one of those. That being said, we are gonna wash the truck and you guys are gonna see from the thumbnail, we're gonna put the new TRD Pro plastic grill in here. Look at this little spider here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and I'm really excited. So first thing off I have to do, and I won't do too much of it because I want to show you guys how to install this, but I'm gonna wash the truck real quick. It's filthy. Been using it as a workhorse. And if you need a truck, get a Tundra. It's awesome. 5.8 V8 Tundra, 400 horsepower. Thing rips. Oh, I did an intake. I did a lot of stuff. I've done so much stuff to this truck. I even painted the plastic engine cover. I should show you. It's all right. I'll show you guys when we're doing the lid off. Okay, let's go ahead and I'm gonna wash it real quick. What an absolute beast of a truck. Okay, so we've washed the truck, ready to go. So what we're gonna be doing, this is the old OEM, I'm gonna have it for sale, Rock Warrior. This was a banger video. You guys loved it. It was the chrome delete, paint matched. That paint match looked good. You guys already saw the Alpha Rex. Now we're upgrading. Now I know, I gotta go look. What we're doing is we're keeping this OEM surround, which is a big deal. This is going to be, and you have to know this is a 2000, oh shoot. I think it's 2010 to 2013. I'm pretty sure, I should remember these, I don't remember. Front grill, excuse me. If you do not get this grill, this setup that I'm getting put on today won't work. You can't have the 07, 08, 09. Those don't work. It's a different grill. So pay attention to that. So, and you can go out and buy this one like I did, and there's another step to this. I'll link that video below. You have to get to that point before you can do this. But this is gonna look amazing. So, because it's a TRD Pro, this is awesome. So first thing we've gotta do is we're gonna lift up the, I can't even think right now, the hood right here. And then there is that painted engine bay. I think that looks so good. The plastic cover, I did that in black. Look at that with the Toyota badge. There's that Ram, nice intake, short Ram intake. That's huge Ram intake. Okay, so we're gonna be removing that today, and I'm gonna show you guys how to remove that. This bracket, all this stuff is new. I did that and I showed you how, but what we're just trying to do is remove this part right here from the front bracket. Here is what came in the kit. This right here is what came in the kit. Looks good. It is just the grill. It's plastic. It's not OEM. It is an aftermarket. Fair condition, pretty good. Not perfect. There's tiny little extra plastic things right here that could have been perfect, but it is not OEM. It did come with this lettering, this lower lettering, weird. And then I wrote back to him saying, I'm missing, this doesn't fit because I don't have this plastic grill that it shows. And they just said, no worries. And they sent this. And this one seems OEM-esque, and it does fit perfectly on the back. And of course, that's what it's gonna look like. Amazing. Should we paint this? What do you guys think? I think I should paint this. Should we do black? I'm pretty sure we should do black. Oh man. Let's do black. I'm gonna do black. So we're gonna hit that black. Of course, I mean, everything else is black. Why would I not do black on that? Should we do gray or black? What do you guys think? Let's hit it black. We're gonna hit it black real quick. As that's gonna hit that black, we're gonna start removing the Rock Warrior. And it's gonna be pretty simple. It's gonna be quite a few, I believe 10 millimeters and some Phillips head screws. Yeah, so I think you're gonna have to just take the whole thing off and then connect it to on the workbench separately. So let's just take it off. One more nose. So it's quite a few 10 millimeters. I don't remember, but I'm gonna say 10 millimeters, 2 Phillips heads and another 10 millimeter on this guy. And then, remember guys, when I did this last time, I'll have that video link, you have to yank on these and it'll pop out. Definitely gonna clean this, but you gotta really give it some love to pop out these little clips here. They are right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So it's gonna take a little bit of love. It feels like it's gonna break, but it won't break. Let's go ahead and do the Phillips heads here. And then maybe this just pops out right here with these guys. Yeah, it might just pop out. This all just might pop out. I can see how it's popped in there. Actually really gonna be easy. Awesome. That was about the hardest thing I've done in a long time. I just said it was gonna be easy. Pain and the you know what. Split myself. Wow, that sucked. So all it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws on the lower, and then the rest of it is just these stupid clips. That is just insane. I mean, if you can buy this trim without that centerpiece, I don't know if you can. You should. That was miserable. Oh man, I'm bleeding everywhere. Yeah, so you gotta push these. These are like like it's supposed to be easy to unclip these. See these right here? No. And there's about 40 of them. So that was pretty brutal. Do not recommend that. Oh. Now, I'm assuming that we can just click this one back in. Let's go ahead and see. I think there's gonna be a couple other click things you're gonna have to put in though. You flay your hand. You're gonna wanna remove these little, they're called spring clips, I believe. Like this, and you're gonna remove them off there. I've removed 1, 2, and 1, 2. We'll remove the rest. Reason why is you're gonna need those same mounting points as you had before. So let's go ahead and do that, which will allow it to mount back up to the OEM. It did come with these. That's what this is for. Stay with the OEM stuff. You're gonna wanna stay with the OEM, especially since you have those OEM, if you have the OEM ones, just stay with the, I promise you, because then you're gonna wanna use these again. So let's go ahead and snag all those off of there. Good. See that right there? Clicks are all in. This is gonna be some 10 millimeters. Click, 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 click. Follow that. We're gonna grab that Toyota badge. I believe it's actually, we'll do that one a little bit more a little longer so it can dry a little bit more. Now let's go ahead and actually get the bracket for this guy, the hood latch. Let's go back and look. Again, a whole bunch of 10 millimeters. So these are the brackets from the Rock Warrior on the 2010 to 13. Those are the brackets you're gonna need. And then you're gonna go across and reinsert all those 10 millimeters and connect the bracket. Then you're gonna do the 10 millimeter right here that holds in the little latch. And then you're gonna screw it in. It does come with little plastic mounts, but they seem kind of fragile. I don't really like that. Makes me nervous, but whatever. And I'm pretty sure, you know, that's just the way that they had them. Yeah, these tiny little plastic things. Yeah, you might want to get, I don't know how you reinforce those. More plastic, I guess, stronger plastic. But let's see if it'll latch. I'm not sure, I'm pretty sure the hood should latch. So Yep. Ooh, that is awesome. Wow, I'm so happy with that. So much better. Okay, we're gonna go look at the TRD, or get the TRD, the Toyota badge. Man, oh, I love it so much. Wow. That is way more modern. That is awesome. I need a good before and after. I'm about to go get it for the thumbnail. Let me go get the Toyota badge, like I said. 1 second here. I just saw this. Are you ready for this? I looked at it and go, oh, it's nice. Oh my gosh. Wow, what an upgrade. Oh, yeah, I got a brand new truck. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'm so glad I went with the gloss black on the Toyota. That is unreal. I am very happy, very happy. Wow. Okay, so just like that, all done. Definitely worth it, worth every penny. I'll have some links below for you guys. Man, the Tundra looks good. It is awesome. What an amazing improvement. It looks like a brand new truck. It looks like the TRD Pro. You gotta, if you're gonna do the blacked out, like, it's okay to leave it gray if all your other badges aren't, but the blacked out on the Toyota, that was a must. That was definitely a must. But man, it's looking good. What a build. This is an awesome build. Cool truck. Still like the TRD Pro, the new ones, but man, what a beauty. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to like, subscribe, always swing by MitchUBISHI.com, and I'll see you guys on the next video.